So good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss about this topic system of limits, fits, tolerance and gauging in the module 2. Okay. So for this will comes under the mechanical measurement and metrology subject. First we are going to discuss about uh, what is limit. Okay, before going to the limit, in this module we are going to discuss about the what is limit, types of fits and types of tolerances and gauging, no go gauge, go gauge, as well as plug gauges, ring gauges and comparator, different types of comparator, like hydraulic comparator, mechanical comparator and pneumatic comparator. So those things we are going to study over in this particular model. First we are going to discuss about limits. What is limits? The maximum and minimum permissible sizes within which the actual size of the component has to be component lies are called limits. Okay, so the concerned authority, they are going to provide the permissible sizes. Okay, so but that depends upon the material sizes. They will be providing the this type limits. Okay, and comes to here, what for the limits it can be, they will be providing, because all the component we could not able to manufacture at the same basic size. Okay, due to the manufacturer error, as well as the measurement of the component, the measurement error, as well as in the tool error. Okay, so due to the various reason we could not able to manufacture the all the component at basic size. Okay, so that they will be provided by the limits. Okay, the limits they are going to provide the concerned authority. Okay, it will be depends upon the material sizes. Okay, so the limits, it have upper limit as well as lower limit. Upper limit, maximum permissible sizes is called that as upper limit. So more than this upper limit, it will be goes the material, means we can rework the component. Okay, so lower limit means minimum permissible size provided by the component. Okay, so here it will be goes less than the lower limit, means directly you can reject the component. Okay, so that the component will lies within which upper limit to the lower limit. Okay, upper limit means maximum permissible sizes, lower limit means minimum permissible sizes. Okay, so the like the two limits are there, upper limit and lower limit. Then comes into the need for limit system. Okay, the correct and prolonged functioning of a manufacturing product depends upon its correct sizes, relationship between various component assembly. This means that part must be fit together in a certain way. So mainly the limit system, it will be used for to matching the two components. Okay, so according to the limit size, if we are going to manufacture, the component has to be uh, assemble uh, assemble. Okay, otherwise maybe the component, the clearance, it will be exist, so that sometime the assembled product get failure. Okay, so that the limit system, they provided major role in the uh, each mating components. Okay, and also suppose any of the component gets any of the component, it get uh, defected or failure. Okay, we can replace the component. Okay, so for that also this limit system, that means the duplicate components can produce with the help of the limit systems. Okay, then comes into the tolerance. Okay, so the tolerance can be said as the permissible variations of the size is called it as tolerances. That's what already I told you. The permissible variation, they will be provided by the concerned authority. Okay, so the another way, tolerance is called it as difference between the upper limit to the lower limit, is called it as tolerance. Okay, So whatever the component we are going to manufacture, that component lies within the tolerance zone, then only the component should be a uh, acceptable component. Okay, so this is about the tolerance. Then comes into the next thing, uh, tolerance zone. That's what the difference between upper limit and lower limit, the dimension represent the margin variation workmanship is called tolerance zone. That means the difference between upper limit to lower limit is called tolerance zone, within which the component has to be lies, then only the component should be the acceptable one. Okay, so this tolerance zone and limits difference between upper limit and lower limit, the values always they are providing by the in terms of microns only. Okay, microns or nano level only they are providing over here about this tolerance zone. Okay, so coming to we will see about the example for this. Coming to the example for the tolerances, the tolerances normally they are providing like a shaft and hole system over here. So here the shaft system they are providing shaft of 25 mm basic size, may be written as 25 plus or minus 0.2. That means the component lies between 24.98 to 25.02. Okay, so here which is the maximum permissible size, 25.02. okay, so that is the upper limit. Okay, 25 minus 0.02 we are getting as a 24.98, that is the minimum permissible sizes we are going to allow for the component lies. Okay, so that this will be, we can say it as a lower limit. So the component whatever you are going to manufacture, that is shaft 25 mm basic shaft, it will be lies the between 24.98 to 25.02, means we can accept this particular component, or otherwise we can reject. So here whichever things directly we can reject, whichever things we could not we will make some rework. Okay, suppose some of the component it placed more than the 25.02 value, we can reduce the those diameter. Okay, so that there we can do some rework over here. Okay, suppose it will be goes less than the 24.98, directly we can reject the component. Okay, so these things will be the example for the this uh, tolerance and limits sizes. Okay, normally we are going to make study in this particular subject like a whole system as well as shaft system. Whole and shaft should be pair over in this particular the particular module. Okay, so that how exactly it is going to make, that we are going to discuss over in this coming module. So limit is the maximum and minimum permissible sizes allowed by the uh, concerned authority, within which the actual component, that means whatever the component we are produced. Okay, that is, we can say it is the actual size of the component. After measuring what is the exact size we are getting, that is, as we can call it as a actual size. Okay, so within which the component has many lines, means that is the limit. Okay, so difference between the upper limit and lower limit is called it as tolerance, or also we can call it as like a max permissible variation allowed by the authority. Okay, that is also we can call it as a tolerance. Okay, so this tolerance, it is not only in the 25 plus or minus 0.02, sometimes it will becomes 25 plus 0.01 to 25 plus 0.02. So 25 minus 0.01 to 25 minus 0.02. So like this also it can be able to take place. Okay, so those things we are going to see discuss about in the coming chapters. Thank you.